Hello all. Based on the importance of distance learning as a supportive or alternative method to the traditional learning methods in the schools, we introduce you today to the Teacher's Guide to Interactive Lessons within the Distance Learning System. This is part 1 with me, Noura Ahmed Al-Banhani. Within this guide, we will discuss together several topics. The first topic will be about direct smart learning classes. Second one is self-smart learning lessons. And finally, we will discuss together some important focusing points within the distance learning system. Direct smart learning classes. For you, as a teacher, to be able to achieve an effective direct smart learning class via the distance learning system, be sure to first, prepare well for your lesson. This is the first step and the most important one. Second, ensure the simplicity and the clarity of the instructions directed by you to your students. Show the learning outcomes and make sure that your students know them very well. Professionally, use different apps and smart learning platforms either in achieving or evaluating educational outcomes. Ensure that the language is used correctly by you and your students as well, and manage the class discussion effectively. We are completing with the direct smart learning classes. Make sure to take into account the individual differences between your students. Also, pay attention to your role in relation to the students with the special needs. Make sure to motivate your students by using a variety of methods, which is vary, of course, according to the age and the classroom situation. Be sure to provide appropriate feedback for your students, whether for their direct answers or for their written work. Carefully monitor your students' accomplishment of the required tasks within the direct class lesson. And finally, ensure learning outcomes are achieved through using various assessment methods. Part 1 ends here. Thank you for the listening and the caring. Stay tuned for the rest of the parts.